Had a couple of you guys inbox me, hey, is Maxshine gonna have any sales for Labor Day? The answer to that is yes, and it's, for me, I think it's actually a good one, which you're about to see in, obviously, as I explain these next things. So what are you getting for the Labor Day sale? This year, or for this sale, Maxshine sent me a couple of their items that's going to be in the sale. One of them is being this really nice plush towel. It's called Gold Crazy, and it's a premium crazy microfiber towel, and I actually really enjoy this one. It's pretty thick, and it's going to pair with everything that I'm going to be showcasing here. But you get this nice towel here. You're also going to be receiving a ergonomic tire brush, right? You're also going to be getting a interior scrubbing sponge in this cell, which has actually been one of my favorites because it's not only a scrubber, you can flip it around for those who like to dress by hand, and it has a nice microfiber side where you can apply a dressing. You're also going to be getting their new it's their silicone interior detailing brush. I call it a pet hair removal. It's been working pretty good so far. So you're going to be getting this as well in the package. And you're also going to be getting their ergonomic interior detailing brush. So this is like the boar hair, what a lot of people use for the interiors, for like your leather seats mostly. But anyways, let's get started on really how I use all these things and what I think about them. One of the items that's in the package is the Maxshine all-in-one cleaner. It has that citrus cleaning power. It's an active degreaser, and this one I have really enjoyed because there is really just not just one area you can use this. You can use this from your door panels. You can use this on your leather. You can use this on your vinyl flooring. You can even use it on your engine base, on your tires, on your wheels. You can even use it as like a paint prep solution for your paint. But many ways you can use it. In this video, you're really going to be seeing me use it on leather, on this door panel, and even on tires, just to see how well it performs, right? As far as the smell, it has a pretty pleasant smell. It's not like fruity, but it's not like just nothing. It's good. It's pretty decent. So it comes with this one here, and we're gonna be pairing it with the boar hair interior detailing brush for this next couple of scenes that you're gonna see here. Usually when I'm doing interiors, I love using both like a hard bristle and a soft bristle in tandem. And when it comes to this here, I have actually enjoyed using this brush here. There is the tire brush, but I like the hard bristles because I can get into the edges nicely to kind of start removing a lot of the debris out of the cracks, because these hard bristles here, for me, I love it. So I have really enjoyed this one. And then obviously next, you're gonna be seeing me spray this seat down. The seat was pretty dirty. Obviously, I don't clean it often, so there was some buildup here. So I'm gonna spray the solution right on this seat here, and then you're gonna see me agitate it with this boar hair brush. What I like about it is that it fits just right, like on your hand. So when you start scrubbing, you know, it doesn't feel like it's painful or anything. I know some brushes that sometimes we use, you know, your hand is your wrist is kind of like angled because some people use brushes. You know, now everybody's transitioning to like the Scrub Ninja. But you know, these have their purpose, especially when I'm working like on more higher end interiors. I like to use this boar hair to really just kind of give that lather, just the suds and everything like that. So this one comes in handy really nicely. So I went ahead and brushed off all the debris off of the seat, sprayed the seat down really well, and then cleaned it up nicely and wiped it off. And as you guys saw in that clip, the towel came out pretty dirty, which is a bit embarrassing, but hey, I'm a detailer. I don't always have time to clean my own interior. I love interiors, but I lack at cleaning my own interior. And the next thing you're about to see is me using it on this door panel as well. The beauty of this solution or of this product is that it's pH neutral, so it's safe for your material. I know a lot of people are always asking me like, hey, what do you recommend that's safe for plastics or safe for interiors, right? Anything with pH neutral, safe for your interiors, right? Or even exteriors, right? We use pH neutral soaps for coatings and stuff like that, right? So this product here is pH neutral, so you can feel safe that you can spray this, and obviously it's not going to damage or anything like that on the plastics, right? Always keep in mind though, temperature and all of that, sun, you're gonna have different variables, so always just be careful. So in this next phase, you actually see me spraying this door panel down, and we are using the scrub. I was about to say the Scrub Ninja. I am sorry. You're gonna be seeing me using this Maxshine interior scrubber. I call it scrubber, but it has two sides. One side is your agitation side with these. It's just, you know, it cleans really well. And then your other side has this microfiber. So for those who just, like I said, like conditioning your door panels, then you can literally just come back, flip it around, put your dressing on here, and then you can literally just apply your dressing. So it's 2-in-1, which I have really enjoyed. Obviously, there's times where you might use this and it gets really wet. So maybe at that point, this probably wouldn't be too good because it'll be like soaked. But for today, I did very minimal spraying, agitation, and then flipped it around and dressed the door panel as well. And like I said, you're gonna be getting this towel with that product as well. And let's talk about the tire brush. This one here, I had gotten it away when it came out. And to be honest, it was just literally sitting here with my tools, and I was like, I don't know if this is something that I like, right? And it was sitting there. It was just sitting down. And then finally I was like, you know what? Let me give this product a try. And honestly, I have really enjoyed it. I have really enjoyed using this because I have two. So I have, this one is the one I had that I got, and then with the new package, they got me another one. So it's literally right here. So this is a new one. So I have two now. But I actually really enjoy this one in many ways. Not only for interiors, like for these types of materials, it's really good for like scrubbing the vinyls, scrubbing a little bit on like all these, you know, like your rubber seals. But even on tires, I have actually enjoyed it because, like I said, the way they made this brush is for your hands. It could be comfortable. So when I'm scrubbing the tire, it's actually not like with the wrist doing the work, if that makes sense. It's more of just all overall like the hand motion, and I have really enjoyed this. And the total on this package, I think right now for the Labor Day, it's like $40. But as always, you know, huge shout out to Maxshine for providing a discount code. You know, when you use serranos 15 at checkout, you're gonna get 15% off, which brings it down to like, I think like $35, give or take. But really, I think this is a really solid little bundle for those who have wanting to try different things from Maxshine. So far, I love their products. I haven't had no issues. Like I said, this one, the tire brush, was the one that I was kind of like, I don't know if it's something that I would like. But, you know, like I said, I finally gave in, and I have really enjoyed using this more than just for tires. Another thing that some people have asked me about was their pet hair brush. What do I think about it? And to be very honest, you know, it lifts up the pet hair. right? Now, some will say, how do you compare this to the Analan brush? They both have their places, depending different pet hairs. This one actually does better than the Analan. So it just really depends on the hair, how long the hair has been embedded, right? Not saying this is the only tool that's gonna get the job done, because sometimes you have to do more than just one way to remove pet hair. But it has really done well, and like I said, I like the ergonomics on this one of the handle. It doesn't hurt my hand, and it has done really well, like sometimes reaching like under vans, and I'm able to like scoop it in and just kind of like glide it to remove some of the pet hairs that are in between the seats. But really, everything that you get here in this package, I think it's something you will find very useful. You know, hopefully one day I can create my own little like limited edition serrano sauce kit from Maxshine. That'd be cool though. That'd be cool. But you know, take advantage of this sale. You know, it's only for a limited time. It has an all-in-one cleaner. It has brushes. It has a towel that you can try out. This one here, I have really enjoyed. And I think even if you buy this alone, it's still very affordable. But the Labor Day sale starts, I think, today. It goes live today or something. So go check it out. I'll be posting the link as always. And I hope you guys enjoy your rest of your day. Hopefully I get rained on, but I actually get to see the doctor again today. I have an appointment with him, and we're gonna be following up from this cough. I honestly think I'm doing better. You know, I don't know if it's just me. Maybe you on the other side can tell me if I have cough more or less, because obviously me, I don't really see it. But I hope there's improvement for my life, and obviously for my family's sake, that I'm okay. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next video.